March 23rd, we're in India. This aircraft, shortly after takeoff, had engine problems with two souls on board. It was a touring motor glider, and there were serious injuries on this one. There's the end of the runway. There you can see the engine stopped working. Luckily, this thing is a glider, so really good at staying airborne. But now is a difficult question for the pilot. What do you do? Dan Greider always says to go straight. Many of the pilots on the comments say to go straight. There you can see there was a road there, but a lot of cars, a lot of power lines. Pilot decides to just continue going forward, keeping that glide, and runs into some buildings here, as you can see. So the two on board were seriously injured. There's the tail number there, Victor Tango Golf Delta India. And then this is aftermath of it. Got the two on board to the hospital. Hopefully they are okay. They had the home was okay. It didn't hit the house directly, so nobody on the ground was injured that we know of. Here's a similar aircraft here, Pipistrel Sinus 912S, part of the Indian Jharkhand Flying Institute, and that's how it ended up. And then here's that Dhanbad airport right into the community residential areas here. And then here's a NASA winner. This aircraft was a 2008 General Aviation Technology winner and 2007 Personal Air Vehicle winner. 80 horsepower engine, low fuel usage, really good glider. Maybe that helped in this situation, keeping them airborne, and hopefully again they survive and everything goes well. So please subscribe to the channel for more news from around the world. This is Arfan Amkioni. See you guys next time.